channel. Today we're going to be doing another Halloween look, and we're actually going to be doing a skull. I did this look last year for Halloween, and now I'm going to be able to see if my skills have gotten better or if they've gotten worse. Hopefully it comes out a lot better, and I hope you guys enjoy. Just keep on watching. I forgot to film this, but I did add moisturizer. You need to add moisturizer so that you have a barrier between your skin and the paint. I then added glitter glue, and I regret this so much, so please skip this step. It did not come out as planned. I used liquid eyeliner to map out the sockets of my eyes, and I honestly messed up a lot. I show it once, but I actually erased this quite a few times. I feel like the key for Halloween looks is to always have time, because if you're getting frustrated and irritated and you have no time, it's not going to come out the way you want it to, and it's just not going to be good. So make sure you have time so that everything comes out the way you want it to and you're not frustrated. Then I try to do the nose. I'm trying to make it look a little thinner, so I'm drawing the lines a lot closer so I can give the illusion of a thinner nose, because I have a Yoshi nose. But it's okay. I'm then going to draw that in with black paint and move on to the teeth. This look took me a while because I don't know, it just took me a while, honestly. And to draw the teeth, I put a line in between my mouth. I don't know, this is so hard to explain, you guys. I suck at this. Also, keep in mind, this is my first voiceover, so if I suck, I'm sorry. I promise I'll get better. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to explain any of this teeth part. Just try to make it as neat as possible. Mine did not come out neat. They came out horrible, honestly, but I just tried to make like little houses and then like drag it up, I guess. I don't know, just watch the video. I promise you'll understand it 10 times better than me trying to explain it. But yeah, you guys, this look took me, it took me forever because my battery died throughout like the video. So I had to stop, and I started watching some TV while my battery charged, because I only have one battery. And then it was like 6 in the morning, and my boyfriend had to wake up for work, so I started making his lunch, his breakfast, and then he left for work, and then that's when I was able to go back to finish the look. So it did take me a while. I was up, like, I had no sleep that day. But it's okay. I wanted to get a video up because it's been a while, and it's just been so hard to post because I'm always busy. Like, I'm always doing something for work. And yeah, but yeah, just keep in mind to have time, to be patient. This look, I feel like could have gone so much better. And I feel like where I messed up was putting on the eye contacts, because the eye contacts were like a little net, and they were red, so it looked like I had a filter, and like it was blurry. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I wanted to go back to the teeth, add some shadows in between, you know, to make them look a little bit more realistic. But I wasn't able to do that because I really couldn't see. You guys have no clue how hard it was to put on my eyelashes. And I did want to take out the eye contacts, but I was so scared because I did have glitter. I was gonna use glitter, so I had glitter all over me, and I was scared to reach in the eye contacts and, you know, get glitter in my eyes. I don't think that's safe, so I just decided to keep it that way. But yeah, I feel like if I added more time, it would have gone so much better. But that's okay. you guys can do this. I had a meeting like at 8 and no, I had a meeting around 9. So I had to get ready and I had to go in the shower and take all this off. So I was a little rushed. But that's why I'm saying, please keep in mind your time, because it will either make it or break it, the time you put into it. Right here, I'm adding the white paint to the teeth. And now with the same liquid eyeliner, I'm going to be drawing the cheekbones and then like a little, it's like a little Y. Just draw like not like a sideways Y, I guess. I don't know, like I said, just look at it. And then I'm gonna be then I'm going to be adding white paint on top of that so I can give it more dimension. The same for the hollows of the eyes. Also, I feel like this look would have gone so much better if I would have added glitter before I added the little the little diamonds, okay? I don't know how to say it. But yeah, I would add glitter. I would add glitter before I add the little diamonds, just so that you wouldn't be able to see like a lot of gaps, if that makes any sense. Now I'm going to be adding some black eyeshadow inside of the eye socket so I can make more dimension. I was gonna put in paint, but I did use black eyeshadow instead, so it gives the look more dimension and the eyes more dimension. Now I'm outlining my face with black paint. And those are the little diamonds. I got them at Walmart. They were super cheap. You could either cut them down so that it could just be, you know, diamond per diamond, or you could have them in a row like that. If you want to recreate this look just for pictures, it's fine if you just do it like that. But if you are going to use it for a Halloween party or something, I would recommend you guys to add like eyelash glue to the rhinestone. I would recommend you guys to add glue to the little diamonds underneath so that they can be more secure. And with that shade, I'm going to be creating a half crease, and then I'm going to be using the black eyeshadow from that same palette to do the outer corner of my eye. And that is all I did, you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.